Henry finished reading a book in a month. He read 1/5 of the book during the first week and 88 pages during the second week. He read 7 more pages than 5/9 of the remaining pages during the third week and completed the rest of the 89 pages in the last week. How many pages were there in this book? Now, to do this, we can employ the working backwards technique plus a model drawing. That would help a lot. So let's draw a model to see what's happening to this particular book. All right. So again, 1 unit out of a total of 5 units was read in the first week. First week. Okay, which means that this section here will represent 5 minus 1, that is 4 units for you. Okay, so he read 88 pages during the second week. So in the second week, they have been very specific. 88 pages will be there, and this will be for the second week. Next up, he read 7 more than 5/9 of the remaining. So what does it mean for the remaining, which is this particular section over here? We divide it into 9 parts, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 9 parts right now. And out of these 9 parts, right, he read 7 more than 5/9, which means this section here plus another 7 was read in the third week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 5/9 of the remaining plus another 7 was read in the third week. So we still need to have another, from here onwards, we still need to have another 7 pages, but I'm not sure. 7 pages, is it 1 unit? Is it 1.5 units? So we're just going to draw it until this point. And completed the rest 89 pages in the last week, which means from here all the way to the end is another 89 pages. Which tells us, friends, that 7 plus 89 will be equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 7 plus 89, that will be equals to 96 pages. So 4 parts, which is the purple section, friends, that will be 96 pages. We find 1 part. 96 divided by 4. 24 pages. Alright, and then with that, we can find this purplish section here, which is 9 parts. 24 times 9. 216 pages. Alright, so when we take this 216 pages, we add it to 88 pages, we will get 4 units of the book. Next step, 4 units of this particular book will be equals to 88 plus 216. That will be 304 pages. And how many books were there in this particular, how many pages were there in this book? That will be a total of 5 units. So we find 1 unit first. 304 divide by 4. 76 pages. And we find 5 units, which is the number of pages in this particular book. Answer, 380 pages. Wow, quite a lot of pages. Probably one of those Harry Potter books? Answer: 380 pages.